Voltage drop is simply a measurement of the difference of voltage from where one lead is placed compared to the other lead. A good wire or component like a switch or a fuse should have very little resistance. Because of the low resistance, the voltage drop will be very minor across the component. If you perform a voltage drop test on a ground, a switch or component, the total drop should be 0.2 volts or less. If the voltage is greater, it means it is unwanted resistance in the component. Something like a corroded wire or loose connection can cause increased resistance and cause a voltage drop. A great example of when a voltage drop would be needed would be if you wanted to test a battery cable. If you measure the resistance of a battery cable, it would be very low. But when you measure the voltage drop across the cable while cranking the engine, you will be able to determine if the cable is bad. If you are testing for voltage at a ground wire and you read voltage, your ground has high resistance. People often find voltage on a ground and assume it is shorted to positive. If the positive is shorted to the ground, you will have a short circuit, and the wires would likely burn or the fuse would simply blow.